Do you want to hack the algorithm and boost your engagement? Check out exactly how I use IG Stories to boost my engagement and book more clients. Stay tuned. For the best advice on how to grow your photography business, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every single week when I make a new video. And lately, I've been making 2 videos a week. So if you guys enjoy the double the content, let me know in the comments below, because I always like to hear what you guys are enjoying, what you want more of, what you want less of. So let me know. Hey everyone, we have a guest appearance today. You can hear her purring. She's so excited to be here. Oh, and there's that Thill. But Chalila wants to say hi. She's been meowing at the door. What would you have to say? Alright, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Moorea with Moorea Thill Photography. I'm a professional photographer and videographer specializing in couples and elopements on the beautiful island of Maui. Today, I am showing you in my phone exactly how I create my Instagram stories using Unfold. This amazing app gives me the ability to create stunning stories that help me engage with people and showcase my most beautiful work. And as a gift for me to you, I am giving you my most favorite Lightroom preset, so that when you're done watching this video, you can download my preset for desktop and mobile, and you can get out there and start creating today. And then I want you to tag me in your Instagram stories showing me the beautiful work you create with Unfold and the Lightroom preset that I'm giving you. So let's get right into it. Here's my phone. Okay, so by this time, I've already imported all of the pictures from my most recent session. And let me just say, this couple was so much fun. It was a sunrise session, and you know, it's always really hard that early in the morning, but it was so enjoyable, and I just am really happy that they were so sweet. So let's put our plus T for the story name, and I'm gonna go ahead and add in there my first page. And I personally love this one because it takes up the entire screen and it really showcases the most like wow photo. This one, oh, love. Okay, so now up here in the corner, so now I press this little edit button and I'm going to add a text box. And like I've said before, I really love to keep my clients' personal information, like their name, where they live, all those types of things, private, just because I appreciate people keeping my information private, and I like to do the same for others. So we're going to do R plus T, and I'm going to move that up here. I'm going to edit text, and I like this one. Make it nice and big, and I like the color white for this one. Okay, so now let's add a second page. Now there's all these different kind of like frames for different stories. I have a couple that I really love using. So for this one, now I'm going to start at the beginning of our session. I'm actually going to go backwards. Since this was the sunrise, I'm going to save our first shot that has the dramatic colors for the last frame. So let's start here. I will do this picture and this one. Stunning. I'm going to add another page. And I just kind of mix it up. Like, you know, whatever you find pops out at you that is your style and you like, use it. I love this one. The ripped paper look. So now let's do these two. They're so pretty. And what I'll do is in this part, instead of writing on here right now, I'm going to tag Petite Bloom in this picture on the Instagram story, because that's who did the Hakule. And I just really like giving her credit because she does amazing work. And then I love this little 3 trifecta. So let's use this one, and this one, and this one. Beautiful. And now this one was her idea. She sent me it in the inspiration beforehand, because it was one thing I love to do is like ask people like, what is something you want to recreate, or your style and inspiration. Just send me a ton of pictures, I don't care. I just want to know what you like the most. And this one she picked, I think it's just absolutely stunning. So cute. They're so adorable. I love when I match up with people so perfectly and they are my perfect ideal client. It just makes me so happy, and it makes our shoot so much fun. For our last slide, what I'm gonna do is do a double. Actually, yeah, let's do a double. So we'll do one of these, and on the bottom I'm gonna do this really pretty one, and then I'm gonna go into our text messages, and I'm gonna take a screenshot of our conversation, and let's bring that into photos. Okay, and I'm just going to crop her response to me, and then I'm going to use that as this last picture so that people can see that she's really satisfied and that she loves the pictures. And I just like showing feedback to have a little social proof that you have clients who are super happy with the images. Okay, so here's our final product. Stunning. I'm going to export this to my phone, the entire story, to device. Then we're going to go post it in the gram. Now we're going to click right here and select all of our pictures. There we go. And press next. And now here's a little trick for you guys. Every single story, I put the location that we shot at, or just a general location, and hashtag my photographer. And this does 2 things. It helps me get exposure on the location, but it also helps me get exposure under the hashtag also. And they're both location specific, which is really important, because when people are here on vacation scrolling through Instagram, I'm gonna pop up in the story and they're gonna see my work and they're like, I wanna work with her. Yes, let me inquire now. So, location. This was at McKenna Cove. And you can put McKenna Beach, McKenna, Hawaii, but I'm gonna put McKenna Cove because it's actually a pretty popular beach. And by the way, I am changing my sessions at McKenna Cove and will no longer be doing sunsets there, only sunrises. Because there are so many weddings there, it gets way too crazy. Maui photographer. And I make these kind of really small and hidden just because I don't really like it to mess up with the aesthetic of the entire story. So I'm going to go ahead and add all of these. I'm just gonna add a GIF to the top. GIF, whatever, however you say it. Something fun. I don't even like any of these. A dancing cat. A dabbing unicorn. I used that one yesterday though. Let's just perfect. I don't even like squirrels, but there we go. And now we're gonna press next and share it to the gram. I hope you guys found this helpful. If so, leave me a comment below and let me know. Also, in the description below, you're gonna find the links to my free Lightroom preset, and I'm gifting you a free guide to posing couples. So I want you to take these tools and get out there today and start creating. And show me what you create by posting it in my private Facebook page full of creators from all around the world, where we share tips, settings, everything photography. Or you can just tag me in your creations on Instagram. I want to see all your beautiful creations. So if you like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified every time my new videos release. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye!